Hey guys, Funky Kev here, and I'm just doing a late unboxing of me Maverick RX rally car. I've had it out and gave it a bit of a blast. I think the body on it looks awesome. So I'm just going to take it off. And that is inside. Now, it is a bit dirty because I have had it out. I'll show you This runs on 2S, 3S and 4S. And I have had a blast of it with today, as you can see. And I don't know if you'll be able to see, but if I move this down, that is all the, I'll put it up. These are all the new features it's got on. There we go. It's Dean's plug, as you can see. And as you'll be able to see in the video, I got this rather dirty. But I will put some pictures up just before the video, so you can just see how bad it got. But this was running on 2S, so next time I take it out, I'm going to run it on 3. And then 4. So I'm going to see what the difference is. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to please hit that subscribe button, drop me a like and leave a comment, and watch how dirty it gets. And I will see you all next time.